not a lot of sort of rocket science in here, but it's amazing to me how many times organizations don't ask for, marketing teams don't ask for the organizational goals up front, right? This isn't just what the sales numbers are. What are we trying to achieve, and what is our corporate strategy to get there? Are we focused on net new customers to hit our numbers? Are we leaning in on existing customers and expanding book of business? A lot of companies are doing that right now when they know that getting new logos is going to be more difficult. Sustaining existing relationships is where they're going to sort of drive at least short-term success, maybe in the next year or so. If that is the goal for the organization, how does your strategy and your budget align with that? And if you're not asking those questions up front, you may be presenting something that says, oh, we need to keep generating leads. We need to keep generating more MQLs, keep generating more pipeline. Sounds good. But if some of that is going to be constrained by just market dynamics, if fewer people are buying, if fewer people have the capacity to buy, then all of a sudden, all your metrics, all your benchmarks are going to be constrained. It's going to be more expensive to acquire those customers. And you might be in the middle of that campaign saying, boy, you really should have deployed some of that towards land and expand, towards engaging and retaining our existing customers.